So today I want to show you how to set up a humidifier. So this is relatively easy. There's just a couple of things you have to consider. First, when you set up the base of the humidifier, make sure you put it on a hard and level surface. Something that can get wet. So for example, like a carpet or a wooden table may not be a good idea. Okay, so after that it's time to fill the tank with water. You can either use demineralized water or just regular tap water in case your water is not so hard, or if you have like a filter that you can use in your dehumidifier or humidifier. And then you take the tank and you just put it right on top of the base here. And then in this case here, this model has here this little top piece that you can set the direction where you want the humid air to go to. And then in the next step here, it's time to connect the power cord here. We're going to plug that in. And then we can turn on the humidifier by rotating this dial here. So you can set how much humidity you want to create, and then if everything's okay, you can see here by this little green light here on top in the tank. There's this little green light that says that everything is working fine. And then you have to check how much air is going to be dispensed here into the air. You have to regulate that. Make sure that the mist that comes out here is like going straight up and doesn't just fall down immediately. So make sure that it really goes straight up, and you can check maybe after a while if the bottom here or the floor, the table in this case, is like wet or a little moist. Then maybe throttle it down a little bit, and if everything's okay, then just keep it going and make sure that the tank doesn't run out of water, and the humidifier will shut off when the tank is empty. But just check on regularly so that your air doesn't get dried out. Alright, so I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, then please leave a comment below.